Hi, I'm Brad with X Digital. Are you looking for iGen fuser rolls? We have them today at X Digital. This is a small quantity of the iGen fuser rolls that we have in stock. Really, we just wanted to put a couple up here to show that, hey, we do have stock. We currently help maintain about 15 iGens around the country with parts and supplies for their operation of their iGens. We get it. Hey, a lot of companies out there are self-servicing iGens. So, hey, reach out to X Digital today if you're looking for any parts or supplies or fuser rolls for your iGen. Thanks a lot.